CQ. This is ZL1GUD, ZL1GUD calling.
Morning. It is now 6 months since we started the ham shack. Well, technically, and in terms of stock, probably 4 months, because a lot of the stock takes a while to get here. New Zealand is far away from everywhere, and most of it comes by ship because it's a lot cheaper than trying to fly it in. But yeah, what's happened in 6 months? We've got the Spiderbeam agency for Australia and New Zealand. We've got the Guohetec agency for Australia and New Zealand. We've got Alinco for New Zealand. We've got Sotabeams for New Zealand, and a whole lot of smaller ones. We're busy with some others at the moment. It's going really well. We've got Alinco radios all over New Zealand, North Island, South Island. And we've got Spiderbeam antennas, North Island, South Island. We've got Spiderbeam Yagi antennas in the Cook Islands. We've got Guohetec radios. These are the PMR 171 Manpack POTA SOTA amazing radios. They only arrived, the stock arrived a week ago. We've already got radios in New Zealand, North Island, South Island, and Canberra, Australia. We've got a second batch of radios which are arriving hopefully today. We've also managed to do a whole lot of installations, so people that are either older and they don't want to climb towers and climb things, and people that don't want to do it. So we go and put up the antennas for them. We've done some vehicles, we've done base stations. Then we started the magazine, and the purpose of the magazine, I just felt that we needed a nice magazine initially in New Zealand, and then I just thought, well, why not extend it to Australia? And it's morphed into a community magazine where anybody can put in an article. Clubs can advertise events. Although it's not a club magazine, we'll advertise club events, so whether you've got a boot sale or whatever. And that's going really well. We're on the 6th edition. That goes to every club in Australia and New Zealand, and we've got an additional a few hundred subscribers, so that's coming on. And then we started the socials, so that we started before the business, and we've carried on. But what we do now is the business sponsors food, and whether it's a hamburger or a sausage sizzle or something, we supply all that. I'm involved. I think that's the biggest thing. Almost every single weekend I'm out doing activations. If I'm not doing an activation, then I'm chasing. My big thing is the expedition, so we're busy with that. The other thing that's been interesting in the last 6 months, especially because of the magazine, because the magazine is free, people are happy to give me their information. So I've got a Scottish contributor who sent me all his documents in Word. I've got a contributor in the States. DX World has said we're welcome to use their logos and their photographs and anything we want from their website. We've got a contributor in South Africa. We've got contributors locally. And it's really become a community. But anyway, it's 6 months in, and the start of many great things. So we hope you will support us, and let's move forward. So all the best, and great DX to all of you, and best 73s from the Ham Shack in Canterbury. Cheers.